Winter sports products and clothing for sale. Chapter 1. Winter sports gear for sale. Winter sports products for sale at cully.org. cully.org/en/shopping/sports/hockey. cully.org/en/shopping/sports/skating. cully.org/en/shopping/sports/skiing. cully.org/en/shopping/sports/apparel, under ice hockey and skiing. Winter sports product websites. 1. allshop.com, arctic-cat.com, snowmobile. bigdeal.com, snowboards. beerkai.com, blueiterch.com, borderzone.com, boardtheworld.com, crossrocket.com, dakine.com, dalebutusa.com, dynastar.com, flow.com, gorp.com, heckler.com, hellyhansen.com, northwave.com, quicksilver.com, rei.com. Winter sports product websites. 2. rosignolskico.com, rosignolsnowboards.com, salomonsnowboard.com, salomonsports.com, scooterski.com, scottsurfaz.com, sessions.com, skatesearch.com, snowball.com, snowbike.com, snowblown.com, snowboardcanada.com, snowboardcentral.com, snowboarding.com, snowboarding-online.com, snowboardnetwork.com, snowboardreview.com, squintdog.com, 32.com, timebombtrading.com, twistgear.com, twsnow.com, typesnowboards.com. Winter sport products for sale. 1. actiongear.com, 800-338-4327, alpinasports.com, 800-4 Alpina. Ball America, 3890 Elm St. Denver, Colorado 80207, 800-554-6686, 800-222-6553. Ball.com. Ski goggles. Eagle River Nordic. POG 936. Eagle River, Wisconsin 54521. 800-423-9730. ernordic.com. Ski equipment. Early winters. POG 4333. Portland, Oregon 97208. 800-458-4438. normthompson.com. Ski equipment. Masca, USA. 529 Main St. Number 205. Boston, Massachusetts 02129. 800-451-4600. ccmsports.com. Ski equipment. Maze.com. 800-788-8964. Nordica. 139 Harvest Lane, Williston, Vermont 05495. 800-343-7800. nordicaskiwear.com. Winter sport products for sale. 2. Peak Ski and Sport. 800-550-7669. peakski.com. polarisusa.com. 800 Polaris. Snowmobiles. rei.com. 800-426-4840. Salomon/North America. 400 East Main St. Georgetown, Massachusetts 01833. 800-342-7669. 877-272-5666. 800-225-6850. salomonsports.com. Ski equipment. Spalding Sports. 425 Meadow St. Chicopee, Massachusetts 01021. 800-225-6601. Spalding.com. Sportworks.com. 800-362-3434.